Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 8 and let me share with you how to enable the Nightlight or eye comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings. We will begin with customization of this mode, and in the left section scroll and find display and brightness. Now in the right section, localize eye comfort and tap on it, and let's tap on enable all day to turn it on. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. With this switcher, we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, we can make it cooler and not really that visible, and by going to the right, much warmer. So it's of course up to you which level is most comfortable for you. You can also schedule that feature, so make it automatic. You can choose the start time and the end time just by swiping, and thanks to it, your device will immediately apply the eye comfort mode according to the start and the end time, so you can use it. So this is the customization of this mode, and if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar, unroll it fully, and localize the eye comfort icon. It is right here. So just by tapping on it once, you can turn it on, and by tapping on it again, you can turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.